I'm going to share with you the 5 key steps to creating a truly satisfying meal that will leave you feeling nourished and energized. The first key component of a satisfying meal is getting the balance of macronutrients correct. We need a source of protein, a source of carbohydrates, and a source of healthy fat. Let's start with protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. It's making enzymes and hormones, and is found in foods such as lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, or tofu. Aim for about 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Next, we have carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's primary source of energy. It's important to choose complex carbs, such as whole grains, fruits and vegetables over refined carbs like white rice or bread. These complex carbs will provide fiber, which helps with digestion and makes you feel full. About 45 to 65 grams of carbs per meal should do the trick. And finally, we have healthy fats. These fats are crucial for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and they also add flavor and satisfaction to your meals. Good sources include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Aim for about 20 to 35 grams of healthy fats per meal. The second key is to include a variety of fruits and vegetables. Not only do they add vitamins and minerals, but they also provide that all-important fiber. Plus, they come in so many colors, shapes, and textures that you can make your meals both visually appealing and fun to eat. Now, the third key is all about portion control. It's easy to overeat, especially when you're really hungry. So aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, quarter of your plate with protein, and a quarter of your plate with carbs, and a little bit of healthy fat on top. This way you get a nice balance of nutrients without consuming too many calories. The fourth key is to add flavor. Use different herbs, spices, and cooking methods to make your food taste delicious. This will make your meal more enjoyable and satisfying. Take your time to savor the flavors and eat mindfully. This will help you appreciate your food more and feel more satisfied. Finally, the fifth key is to listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. This is the best way to ensure that you're getting the nourishment you need without overeating. Remember, a satisfying meal is not just about the food, it's about how it makes you feel. So take the time to prepare a meal that is both nutritious and enjoyable, and you'll be sure to feel great after. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more videos on mindful eating and nutrition.